up, kids? What's up? It's Oli and Polly.
So this is my bird, and I'm Polly. Polly.
Oh. Yes, so
they were communicating. They were communicating a few minutes ago, but they're not communicating anymore.
Yes. Stop. What are you doing, Oli?
What did you do?
No. Communicate. Why?
These birds copy everything you say. So listen to this. What's up, kids? That was Podiba's bird.
For kids. Oh, what?
Okay, bye.
What does that mean? Only
Bye.
Guys, you need to bring Elizabeth's fart jar.
Oh, sorry about that. Sorry.
We need to go back into our cage.
Let's go back into our cage. Bye.
Bye.
Here's Elizabeth's